And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have been cogitating, thinking about this very surreal scape for a while now. And I see that there's a few little things in here I might want to cover. But mostly anything that looks like a star is going to be okay, because I am going to go ahead and do what I thought I was going to do. Although I wish I had saved my round spatula, which is covered with paint. So, what will I do instead? It stopped being hot today. Maybe I'll just stick my finger right in there. And it has to be a moon because it's a black sky. And I am just going to move that edge with my bamboo skewer. Then I'm going to have a look at it and decide if I might want to add some trees, some surreal trees, because there's nothing realistic about any of this in here, for sure. That white line across the edge of the top ought to be orange also. I just realized. So that might be something I have to fix later. Because the canvas is dry, I have a choice to not... Yeah, that thought just went away as I was trying to fill in. So maybe, having said that about the white line, I should just give myself permission while I'm here because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link under show more under the video. And I did just put another tool. Yes, I have clean tools. So I'm just going to use this little number 3 to wobble my way across that white line. And if I hate it, I'll move it, but so far so good. It's bound to be strange. It started strange. It's not getting any less strange. The orange is a color made up of the 24 karat gold and some orange paint. So it'd be nice if it didn't show through, but it's hard to tell. What's going to happen yet? Being that the canvas is dry, I still have a chance for some manipulation. And I do have one little spot right there. It's making me kind of crazy. Okay, more than one spot. Short trip on the kind of making me crazy part too. I just figured I had to do this to finish. And I think I'm going to let that settle by flowing some. And filling in those little shallow spots that I see here. And I could put some more orange down further, but I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think much of anything else is going to happen right now. Other than that, I could probably take a little paint, put it in a container, and add a few stars. Any touch-up that needs to be done on the black, we'll get it tomorrow. It is what it is. It's funky cool. I wasn't expecting it to be miraculously anything other than funky cool. For a while I thought I might leave it alone. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. About to be done. Wishing I had a much finer point on my skewer. A very starry night. If I keep wiping it off and there's less paint, then it makes the stars look like they're near and far. And if I don't like it, I can fix it tomorrow. There's always tomorrow. And I'm probably going to fix that little bit of smudge right now, because otherwise it'll be metallic. Alright, so I will see you guys anon. Please share my videos. Please give me a thumbs up. Please watch longer if you want me to stay. Donate through PayPal or Patreon, and check out what the prizes are for the monthly drawing on the end screens of any video in the last 20 seconds. If you want to help keep me here at YouTube, I really appreciate you guys leaving me the wonderful comments you give me. And thank you all for the donations that have kept me painting so far. Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more. For shoppers, pixels.com, at least 1,200 posts there. Teespring under the video, along with Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. My paint pouring recipe. Thank you guys. Just thank you for being here in general. Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, fans and collectors. For anyone looking for the edited versions of what I have edited so far from YouTube. Alright, I love you guys. It's the end of my day. I'm ready to pack it up, and I will see you guys anon. Check my playlists on my channel. Created playlists under all playlists, and you'll find 1,200 videos, 11 lists of hundreds, or 12 lists of hundreds, and 13 lists of genres. So if you binge watch for me, it might help me, and I appreciate you guys so much. Take care. Bye for now. I do mean that too. Take care. Be well. Stay well. Be safe. Hide at home for a while. It's all good. We love you. Thank you. We'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.